Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a wig review. As you guys can tell from the title, that's what we're doing. Yeah, I've been wearing this makeup all day. I've been wearing this wig all day. It is well past or about to be midnight and I'm ready to take her off. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox some wigs. I have purchased quite a few wigs. I'm gonna take my handy dandy blade here. I'll try this at home. I'm gonna put little Bay right back in her pocket, okay? How you doing? I picked up 3 wigs. Girl, I was gonna go in on this company because I thought they was trying to play me because all the products that I got went out of stock, and one of the wigs I wanted, which was a sassy lace called Ivy, but we're gonna call her Evie because that's my name. Her name is my name too. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab the first wig here, and that's the one we're going to review right off the bat. So that's the one I'm gonna grab first, actually. But let me make sure I have my whole order here because, yeah, look at this. This had to have been the last of its wigs because you see this? To me, this is opened. You know, like that's how I see it. She is ratty as fuck. Look at this, breaking apart. Oh, and it's cut right here in the middle. You guys see that? God, I am not in the best of moods right now. So my first wig, of course, was the Janet Collections wig. It was actually my first gray wig. I had purchased 1 or 2 other wigs, but they were like ratty from eBay, but I don't count those as real wigs. The first one I did purchase was from Janet Collections, and it was the Chile or Chow wig, C-H-I-L-L-E. It's in the 01TB gray, silver, whatever. And anyway, so I picked up this one. This one is the Brazilian Scent wig. In coral, and the color is OET1BD gray, so dark gray, and she's looking brown in the package. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna open up my broken package. You think I put a knife to it? Look at it. It's just broken on the top and everything. Like, oh, she's thin, which is like my kind of hair. She looks purple. Like, it has highlights of, I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up, but I'm sure you guys can pick up, like, this is purple, this is gray, this is purple. Like, it's got like highlights and lowlights of purpley gray with gray. This is what annoys me the most about brands, and it's not just Janet Collections that does this shit, but a lot of them do the same crap, and they write that this is 100% Brazilian human hair. That's a damn lie. You try to find it and leave it linked down below. I'll also try to find it. I think it's out of stock in this color on the site that I bought it from. I don't like to promote these sites, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because when it comes down to it, they will message you all gleefully to promote more of their stuff, and they think that just sending you a wig is payment enough, and they don't appreciate the hard work that it goes into getting ready and making the wig work and talking about the company and editing and doing all that. You know, people think that this is just my fucking hobby. It's not. So I try not to promote too many of these sites, and I know some people notice that and they have asked me and I've told them, but anyway, I digress. This one is, if I find them, I'll leave them linked down below if you really like this wig, and we'll see if I like it. This says 100% Brazilian human hair, Brazilian scent, protein infused wigs. It's not human hair. It is a human hair like blend. It's all synthetic. I don't understand what the smell is, the scented, because I don't smell anything. It doesn't stink. I don't see any lace right off the back. I'm a little, no. Oh, please tell me, oh God, no. Okay. God, I probably, you know, I'm just glad I didn't pay full price for this wig. Let's just put it like this. So this is the wig right here. There is no lace. So what I'm gonna show you guys is, this is the parting space, which looks decent. You can see my nail on there. It looks decent, but apparently the hair just flipped up over here, and you could see that track. So let that wind blow, honey. You gonna look very synthetica. Comes in the traditional wig cap. It has the 2 combs in the front. It has a nice decent parting space which you can pluck. I just recommend not plucking close to the, what is this, the left side. It has a comb on the, oh, it does not have a comb in the back. I take that back. It does have the adjustable straps, which I really don't feel like messing with right now. Oh, I'm having a really tough time putting on wigs lately, I feel. Like, I feel like I'm losing my mojo. I don't like that this does not have a comb in the back. Right off the back, I'm gonna tell you this. All right. What the fuck is this? All right, I'm going by the ear tabs. So let's do this. The ear tabs are right here. So I'm going by the ear tabs. It shows me that this is the middle part. I don't see this wig looking like this wig. Do you see that? Do not like the hairline at all. Shift the wig. Oh, I'm gonna probably end up getting, wow, this wig is horrid. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm gonna paddle brush the shit out of this wig, honey. I just don't know what to do. I like the texture of the hair. I really do. But I don't know what this is. Oh my god, this wig cap is uncomfortable. No. This has got to go back. Cannot, for the life of me, make this wig work. And I can't even split this like this because you see this big old. Do you see that? So I can't even part it the way it looks like it wants to part. You know, I'm having a very tough day today. And I'm really trying right now to have a better day, or at least a better end to my night. And I'm finding it very hard to do so right now. See, like, it looks like the wig is supposed to part this way. And look at the wig is just shifting on me. Oh my god, this is garbage, guys. I'm so mad right now. Okay, all right. This is bad. This is bad. I mean, this is bad. I haven't bought a Janet Collections wig in a while, and I'm starting to not wonder why at this point. Guys, just give me a second. I'm not really, I swear, I'm not trying to be dramatic. I'm just okay, I can't. This wig is fucking horrible. It is fucking no, the parting on this is ridiculous. I cannot, I'm not even gonna link it down below. It's despicable. Oh my god. This is bad. The cap on it is huge, so this is big head friendly. I don't even know why I'm continuing this goddamn review. Like, I really don't. I swear, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm kind of like, this is bad. I'm not plucking it. I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm not tweaking it. I'm not doing anything to this wig. And I love the feel of it. Like, this looks like a density that I can mess with. Like, this looks like a perfect density for me. But for some reason, the top of it looks like I just threw on a mop on my freaking head. I even try this again. Because I just don't want to quit. You know, like, I feel like I always find a way to make it work. Hey, baby. Even the cat knows I'm aggravated. Okay, I'm just stabbing myself with the combs. Maybe we can make her work. What do you think? What's up, Meowgie? This wig, this whole hairline situation is quite frankly annoying me to filth. I know I'm being dramatic, right? Because you want to go out looking like this. I know somebody gonna be like, oh, well, she's just being dramatic. All right, well, you know, $22 can get me a little bit over about 3/4 of a gas a tank. $22 can get me about 3/4 of a tank of gas on a good day. I don't like this. I can't make this work. I feel like pebbles. Oh my god. Oh, it goes from, oh my gosh, she's looking real cute, real nice, or whatever, right? And then, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? What's that? What you, girl, what you do to your head? So, oh, let me show you guys the back, because I'm sure you guys want to see the back. It's been a 30-minute video, and y'all want to see the back of this wig. I don't know if you can see any tracks. You know, I don't know what you guys can see. Of course, I won't see it until you see it. As I'm doing this, the wig is pulling back. As you guys can see, there is no wig band. I mean, no, what's it called? No comb in the back. So it's really raising and I don't feel any security here. Oh, wow. You look like a hump. Anyway, I'm done. Okay? Sound off in the comments, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay? Love you guys. Subscribe. Come on. You know you want to. After this video, I'm sure you'll find me a delight. Yeah. I'm just, you know. Just... Wow. Wow.